Hey guys, no video for our nature and environment in Japan playlist. We drive along this road almost every day. You can see to the left here is some work going on. It's a bunch of the local farmers who get together and do various good deeds. So you can see them all here at work, cutting weeds. So this was about the end of August. They were cutting weeds and planting seeds. And now we're in November. Here's the same stretch of road again, and this is what they were doing. So they're getting rid of the weeds and they're planting the bulbs probably for these flowers. Have a look at that. So they do it every year, and it's just a delight for those of us who drive along this road. How pleasant is this? So I've showed you similar works to this before. It's quite common, these groups, community groups, we've talked about the community groups before, get together and do things like this. And of course, in this case, you've got a bunch of farmers, right? So these guys have got all the gear, they've got their little K trucks and they've got all the gear that they need to do things in a big way, rather than just do a little garden on a little corner of a block. They can go big and do something like this. Isn't it excellent? So isn't that great? And same guys this week, here they are on a corner, so busy intersection of two big roads, and they're at it again. A whole bunch of them out there getting something ready. So obviously sometime flowers in Japan, surprisingly, if you're in an area that doesn't get too much snow, you get flowers all year round. So they're probably planting the next lot of flowers that are going to bloom in winter. So isn't that great? More videos coming soon.